Alpha.
Hey, what's going on?
Man, I'm chilling, bro. I be. You hear me? Hello?
Yeah, they hear me.
Yeah, they hear you. Alpha.
It is a simple highlight to you.
You to try, man. To try.
Last thing we talk about the matter we talk about you discuss, you know, that
Yeah.
you explain something. You say if your blood, my blood, that kind of letter to me. I'll make you say something to me. Like I tell you now, you can see that me, I'm taking sides. I don't take sides for even you and you at all. I just like the playing on my own, waiting in my mind, like I tell you. And you know how many times I've tried to make attempts to make this thing work. It has been a problem. You understand? And then when I see you, I go tell you, no problem. I go deal with you. I go say, no problem. It happened to me and no wahala. If I meet same thing, I go say, no wahala, no wahala. At the end, see that you go, so I won't deal with me, it's very expensive that day. You know the plan we'll get now. You know everything now. You understand? So since that time, you know that matter when we see the next day when I go get issues. It come like say I can't feel one kind, you understand? And not take it to be mine. So many.
I hear you.
Hello, Black.
Yeah, bless you where you did service they bad or something.
You hear me now? You hear me now?
Yeah, they hear you, but
You
service
know
they.
the time when I carry go to meet receiver side.
Yeah.
Remember when you see that, you just see when they come up for house, but when the two of us in come back to the house, the carriers go back to the house. You see him? That's in a meaning. That man didn't come out outside without having a reason to come back. I'm going to come back as you know, say he put in mind to that thing. So after that's when the wala happened. So my only point is saying, after that, when he talked to you, he had, you know, to get plans to all of us to settle that matter. But at the end, he can't be like, say, you can't go back, you can't get contact with innocent. You can't be like, say, we don't know what we do again. You know, that's my first grievance. I felt bad that day. So for me, I want to know one thing. I keep telling you that I don't get anything with you between you and innocent. Issue between you and innocent. My only point is, I just tell you, say, if I talk to you, you can tell me, see, as it will be. If I talk to innocent, it will be that thing again. So I just say the only thing we will solve this problem between two of them. Remember, I told you that thing. That's the only thing
Me, I've already told you that the plans that innocents have is to make sure that the plantation boys doesn't go forward. That is the plans that innocent has. So if innocent is jamming my head and your own together, and he's using it to seem as if he's playing a fast one on us, and me, I already understand it, that is what he's trying to do, and I'm trying to make you to understand that this is what innocent is trying to do. And if you don't understand it and the next thing you say is me and innocent should solve the problem, I would like to make you to understand every moment, to let you to understand that if innocent had his mind to make a resolution and make everything to be in a way that people would think positive about me or about plantation boys or about you, innocent would do it. But innocent will not do it because innocent does not want that for anybody. That is innocent's plan.
You know, Black. You keep saying innocent does not want that
Yes,
for anybody.
that's what I keep telling you, and I will not change. I will not. Let me tell you now. Let me tell you now. I will not change my mouth. I will not change my mouth. Rugged Man called me before that foundation concert.
I remember you told me.
I called him. I told him, why will he go to the radio and say that plantation boys will perform without blackface? He said, with or without blackface.
He said so.
Yes, now he said so on Rhythm FM. So He said Plantation Boys will perform with or without blackface.
I didn't hear that one.
Just listen now. Yeah, so when he said Plantation Boys will perform with or without blackface, it now lets me to understand that they are already planning that propaganda to have Plantation Boys go on stage even without me. So I found out that there's only one way to make them to understand that there's no way they can be doing that. Like I tell you, Chibuzo, say that Plantation Boy's name. I don't register the name. I don't want maybe they talk death about the name anyhow. Now, because they know say we never register the name, they fit do anything with the name. Now the name can sue, and the name can be sued. You understand? Before it no be like that. That's why anybody feel they use the name for anything where they like.
That's not why you put my name in the letter.
No, listen. I'm trying to tell you something now. Listen to me now. I put your name there because I didn't want them to seem like I was biased and I was cutting somebody off. I want them to understand that the Plantation Boys name cannot be used without we agreeing on what we want to do. Not like the time that we went to that Hennessy artistry that Two-Face did not come for rehearsal. Not like the time that they just want us to jump on stage without proper preparation. Me, I don't like that about the band. I don't like that, and that pisses me off. So if your Morige and the rest of them will collect money for Plantation Boys and say that they want Plantation Boys to come for cameo appearance, and then listen now, when they collect money for Plantation Boys, they'll not say me and you should just come and appear, and they collect the money and put in their pockets. It can't happen again, Chibuzo. That's the reason why I wanted you to understand that. See, Two-Face.
Like, I called you for one reason. Listen, let me
yeah, I hear you.
I called you to find out what do you want to be the solution now. What thing you want to make all this thing happen? You understand? What thing will make this thing happen?
Chibuzo, what thing will make this thing to happen? I tell you, be saying, if Two-Face does not want to be part of the band, he can go. If he doesn't want to be part of the band, to sing for the band, he can go. It's not by force. Because it's not.
You said that me, you should go out Plantation Boys, and I told you I cannot do it because
that's what I'm telling you now. Because Two-Face does not want to be part of it. Because of the fact that he doesn't want the name of Plantation Boys to move from point A to point B. That's what he does not want. Are you aware that the time that me and you went to South Africa to go and sing, Two-Face was angry in Nigeria? Are you aware?
How do you know that?
Yes, now because somebody told me now, somebody that was with him there said that he said we should go to South Africa and come back and see if he's going to shoot any video. We should go and come back and see. You know, like the person that said, for real? He said yes, that he said that after we left that hospital. I said, wow. And that means the time that he had an accident, and me and you were going to Kaduna, going to other places and singing and saving money for him, he was angry. Don't you understand? If that one was also happening, then what do you think he's all about? He doesn't want the progress of the group. That's what it is. So, yeah. Me. Chibuzo.
Listen, I just asked you a question. No, I asked you.
Did you hear me?
Two-Face doesn't want to. So I'm saying, what is the solution? If Two-Face doesn't want to, what do you think should be done?
Did you hear me?
I need to know that. If you have to tell me, okay, this is what I want you to do to make sure this is done.
He will not do it, Chibuzo, because he does not want anybody to progress. You want him to do it, but he will not do it, Chibuzo.
Okay, can you just let me know what you want him to do?
Let me tell you what he's supposed to do. Let me tell you what he's supposed to do. Remember the last time that we went to the studio to sing that song? That could it be love that I'm feeling? You see that song?
Yeah.
I told you that Two-Face was not singing the song right. Then why was he singing it like he was playing? I told you that time in the studio, remember? Now, he wants to make the song sound like it's a joke instead of putting his mindset to the music. If he doesn't want to sing, it is not by force. That's the only thing I ask of him, nothing more. But if he doesn't want to sing, why will I force him to sing? Do I have time for? He's not the only singer in the world now. For God's sake. Why will he think he's holding me to ransom or holding us as a band to ransom? He can't hold us to ransom now, and I proved that to him already to know that he can't hold us to ransom. That we all have voices and we can sing.
Yeah, I agree with you. Black, let me listen to me. You have to answer my question. Listen, I know I talk this kind of thing. You never tell me what you say should be done. That you say he should do.
What should be done is if Two-Face does not want to participate. If he wants to participate, he knows what to do. If he does not want to participate, he also knows what to do. This is a professional thing. He knows what I'm talking about because he can't be singing. He can't be singing like you are playing. You have to sing like you mean it. And if you don't want to sing it, then there's no problem. So there's nothing I can ask him for. If in any case he doesn't want to participate, he can do anything he likes. But the name Plantation Boys, he will not kill it. That name Plantation Boys will be forever. See, Chibuzo, that Two-Face will not be able to kill that name Plantation Boys. He will not be able to. He has proved to me in his videos that he's trying to kill the name. He has proved to me in his music that he's trying to kill the band. He has proved to me when he wrote his book that he's trying to take away the name of the band from history. No, I'm just telling you my own this thing now. When he's listen, you say he's doing something in Abuja. I saw it recently. 20 years a king. 20 years a king. Don't you understand? Is he himself that he feels is the one that is running the game? He feels like he is the only person that can make it happen. He is the only singer in Nigeria. That's why he has all those kind of tags, and he'll be having those kind of things. Listen now, and when he's listen now, listen. I won't land. And when he's having, listen now, Chibs, I want to tell you something. I tell you now, he go want make you go this show now.
Listen, I just tell you now so that nobody else had to talk to you and no one tell you what to do. He called me 3 days ago. They want to come and perform at his event. And now you see me where I am. I call him for my own events. I'm not just speaking to you now. I call him for my space and friends and he came. So you have to put his note to it.
No, the thing is that you ask him what is expected of you. What do you want me to come to do? Performance. You see that, like as I talk about, someone who perform that Plantation Boys music like that now. At least for this Rugged Man show now, at least I happy say they give you the chance to perform your own music.
No, let me decide to do them that way. Let me decide to do them because I had 4 shows that night.
Yeah, because
Two-Face timing was even my timing.
Yeah. So you understand. So if you are preparing for your own music rendition, you can prepare well. Not like they want you to come and sing something that you're not preparing for, which is going to make the thing to look bad as well. So whatever they want you.
I'm not saying that it's the rehearsal that is the problem.
Apart from the rehearsal, the name using. Just to say Plantation Boys, that using of that name is what Innocent is using and putting us down and using the name. You use us and put the name like, yeah, it's Plantation Boys, but let's just. You didn't hear when he's talking on stage, when they say, what about Plantation Boys? Will you work Plantation Boys? Say, Plantation Boys, that matter. I'm going to fire upon the devil, and blah, blah, blah. You know those kind of things? He says, he's on stage now. Check it now. If those things are on stage, this guy has been doing these things many. So, if in any case he can't be using that name to be going around promoting his own brand. I've left him to do that for a very, very long time. Now he cannot go on stage and be singing Plantation Boys songs anymore. That is wrong because it belongs to the band. So only him cannot be taking the benefit of the band and putting the money in his pocket, which is bad. And if nobody tells him, he's going to be doing it forever. Our court case, they go court yesterday now. Yesterday, my lawyer go court yesterday. So their lawyer now come to talk some kind of things. My lawyer say, man, their lawyer does not have anything to say anymore. All they are playing, all they're doing now is trying to play and say that we should settle out of court. And my lawyer is like, yeah, if they want us to settle out of court, we are open to it. We don't have any problem with that. Because they don't find out, say, they don't get where they won't go. They don't get what they want to do. Two-Face go sue me, say I give her a song to sing. Our Two-Face go sue me, say I give her my song to say, sing my song, let somebody love you. I go sue me again for that
so
one.
What are they saying now, basically?
No, the thing is that the next hearing, we now we are demanding for a trial. That's what we are demanding for. We are demanding for a trial, and demanding for a trial means Two-Face has to stand in court, and me have to stand in court, and they have to bring the trial, and they have to cross-examine two of us and ask us questions.
Okay.
It has to be trial because he's saying I should pay him 50 million. What kind of person that knows that I've been having problem will be suing me for 50 million? If not because he has a plan to silence me. That's his plan. But I told him that it's not going to work. It's not going to work, Chibuzo. It's not going to work. The next year is going to be on the 5th.
Look, you know, see, I call you because I don't want to see more when see me in the performance. Because say I don't talk to you about the phone.
No, nothing perform, but I don't think go sing Plantation Boys song. That's what I'm saying. I don't think sing Plantation Boys song. I don't think begin to sing You and I don't think begin to sing Knock Me Up. I don't begin to sing all those songs. I don't think begin to sing anything. If you want, if he call you to perform, you can. You say?
Why don't you do that?
You don't do that on time because the aim of that is to take me out of the picture. That is the aim. That is the propaganda. That has been the plan since day one. So, you say what?
That one not possible.
But it not go be now because if you not do and say when I want good singer for there, the name when I go use it go be problem because we go. I don't already give you the warning already. Say.
By Innocent can invite me for a show, for my own show.
Who are you? Wait, who are you? 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 Chibuzo, wait. Who are you? You are FaZe.
Yes, I am. Yes.
You are not Plantation Boys. You are FaZe.
Yeah.
You can go to stage and sing FaZe. I'm not disturbing you for that. You can go on stage and sing your songs. I'm not disturbing you for that. But you people cannot go on stage and start singing, baby, don't you know that? You people cannot sing it.
Black, why I don't understand why.
You can't sing it because it is. I have my contribution in that particular music, and you cannot sing it without. Listen now, I'm only saying you are FaZe, and you cannot perform what belongs to Plantation Boys as FaZe. And Two-Face cannot perform what belongs to Plantation Boys as Two-Face. He has to perform what he performed as Two-Baba. You have to perform what you perform as FaZe, because you cannot perform what is for Plantation Boys as FaZe, or perform what is for Plantation Boys as Two-Baba. Unless you people going to form a new band name.
Black, listen, you are giving order.
Two of you. I don't have a problem with that.
Black, listen to me. You are giving an order when I think that I feel like you're looking for.
I don't have a problem with that. But you people cannot use that name. And be sabotaging me with it. It can't happen.
In a situation whereby two of you are performing, I'm preparing. Two of you are performing. I'm not available. Maybe I'm somewhere.
You understand me now?
I used to be Blackface. In a situation whereby two of you are the ones performing, I'm an example. I'm not available.
If you are not available, it's a different case. We would have had an agreement that you are not available. We all three would have agreed that you are not available. But now that we've not talked about if we've not talked about if I am going to be available or I am not going to be available, or the name of Plantation Boys can be used, or the name of Plantation Boys names cannot be used, there's no way that franchise can be touched. There's no way it can be used.
Okay, but basically now, that's what we say. I don't think this is necessary. You understand? So all this thing we're doing is necessary. You get?
No, it's necessary now because it is what I built. Chibuzo, listen to me. I am the one. Chibuzo, listen to me. I am the one that brought you. I am the one that brought you into Plantation Boys. I am the one that brought you into the team. It wasn't Two-Face. I am the one. It tells you that I have an edge into who comes in and who goes out. Listen to me. Listen to me very attentively. I want you to understand me. Wait now, let me land. Listen to me, let me land. Listen to me.
Stick me out of it and then put Two-Face in. Let's say Two-Face is the one calling me to perform.
He has to call you to perform as Two-Face. You're performing for Two-Face. Two-Face is not Plantation Boys, though. I've told you guys. Two-Face is not Plantation Boys. I've told you. I've told you already. Two-Face is not Plantation Boys. Two-Face is Two-Face. Plantation Boys is Plantation Boys. Yes. And if you go and check who is the person that is the band leader or the owner of the franchise of the name, it is Mr. Amedu Augustine, not Mr. Innocent Tidibia.
Okay.
So I want you to understand the difference. Don't let Two-Face have to tell you something different. Because it is me that told Two-Face that this is the plan of the band. It is me that told him this is what you will sing. Okay, it is me that told him, listen now, it is me that gave him all the blueprint of the band. But after giving him the blueprint, I found out that I need an extra singer to be able to sing and carry the music. That was where you came into the picture. But now that he now does not want to participate in that band anymore, he can sing as Baba, as Two-Face. But
what has told you that he has not participating? But you keep saying it. You say we are telling me what we assume that.
I've told you that he's been singing things that are not. He's been singing things that. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let me tell you. Perspective that me and you have. Listen, hello, listen. Me and you have been as.
I'm arguing with this. Can I just see the story, please?
Okay.
Now you're telling me now that me, I cannot.
You say what?
So, let me explain to you. Listen to me now. You're telling me that now that Two-Face have not consulted in his own concert. I'm giving an example now.
I say he can consult you as phase. As phase.
Listen now.
As phase. Not as Plantation Boys.
I said I don't call you. I'm not talking about myself. I said I don't call you to come and perform as Plantation Boys in the concert. To come and perform.
Do you understand?
So he has no right to play the Plantation Boys song. That's what I said. Man, I don't have no right to play the Plantation Boys song.
You people cannot listen.
He's not going to be in Plantation Boys anymore. For example, he's not going to be in Plantation Boys, which I have not told you that.
Who?
No, you're telling me that. You said that you're telling me that he doesn't want to be in Plantation Boys. Make me and you form him. He has not said.
I did not tell you that. Let me and him form him. I did not tell you say me and you form him. I told you that I am the creator of the band. Now, Chibuzo, listen to me. Listen to me. I formed the band. Chibuzo, I am the one. Listen, Chibuzo, listen to me. I want you to understand. I am the one that formed the band.
You've been talking serious. Let me tell you this one. Listen to me first. You have said that Two-Face doing his concert. I told you that he called me. I'm going to perform. I'm going to perform at his concert. He said he has not called you. So automatically there's.
You say what?
No, Two-Face has called me. I told Two-Face to come and perform his concert. So now he said as long as he has not called you to come and perform the concert, you cannot sing Plantation Boys song.
Not as long as he has not called me.
You said something about that, saying that
if he wants, listen. I am not. Listen now. He has called you. He has.
So I'm assuming now you're telling me that now it's as if it's not coming on concert. As Two-Face said, you're assuming that you're saying that remember told me that if they don't want to continue Plantation Boys song, Plantation Boys together. This is an assumption. He did not tell you actually that he's not going to continue Plantation Boys. You're still saying he has not said it. You say let's make you go ahead and continue with the Plantation Boys thing, Abi. So now, what's the difference between these two things I've said now?
You don't understand what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. When we were doing Plantation Boys, like you guys were. Listen now. Listen to me very attentively. You are not listening to me. That's why you're having each problem with understanding. Now, Plantation Boys is my initiative.
Okay.
I am the one that told Two-Face and say the name of this band will be Plantation Boys.
Yeah.
I am the one that brought the money for the first demo in Enugu. I am the one that has been doing most of the job in the band. Even it was me that met you, first of all.
Yes.
It was me that discussed about how you will fit into the band and what role you will play as a singer. It was me. It was not Two-Face. Because I am the band itself. But Two-Face was a singer and was singing under the band.
Okay.
Now, it happened to a level that I said I need an additional singer in the band.
Okay.
And that is where you came in.
Okay.
Now, Two-Face felt like he does not want to be in that band anymore, because when we wanted to take the band to the next level, he decided that he wants to go solo. And he went solo. And you said you cannot continue being in the band because you want to do your own solo stuff. Because
did not say, listen, let me correct you. I want to let you know something. Did not say you don't want to be in the band.
Listen now. Two-Face said, listen to me now. Okay, listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen. Okay, let me tell you now. Listen now. Listen now. Let me tell you now. Listen. Two-Face said he has his own plan. Even though we said that we will go solo and we will come back and do recordings for the band. Do you understand? Even though we said that, but since
no, you're getting wrong. Let me remind you what they said. We said, I remember that you were completely talking to me in language, in my innocent, and then you know, he can still do his band, his solo to work with the band. You know, it's not possible. I don't forget that.
That's what I'm saying now.
So you said you know what?
Now,
it's not possible that he can that he can do his own thing and still work in passion. When you don't make me understand that if he goes solo, it will not be possible for him to do. So what he wants to do, and he wants to do that same day. I remember that means I don't keep doing the whole thing, and so I do not remember him not going to be in the band.
I told you that when your body language determines whether you want to be in the band or not. The way you behave when they call you for rehearsal determines whether you want to be in the band or not. If they tell you that we have something that we have to do and you say you don't want to show up or you don't want to do anything, or it tells you whether you want to participate or not. Now, from what Two-Face has been doing, it has only proven to me that he does. Listen now, because I am the lead, as I'm telling you now, it has only proven to me, listen to me now, it has only proven to me, because on various occasions, listen to me, on various occasions, his manager has called and has called me. Listen now, his manager has called me. After calling me, has also said that he does not want you as Face to come to a particular occasion. He wants me to come and perform a song meant for Plantation Boys on the stage. Ifeyomorigbe. And I told you that time that they said that they wanted you to do Skype, that you said they were in Abuja. Remember?
Okay.
Remember? Now, so I've told them that what I told them immediately then was that song that you people want to render is a song that is performed by Plantation Boys. I cannot sing it with Two-Face alone. Listen to me attentively first. Now let me land. Listen, I tell you now. I tell you. I told you that time that if he called me, that you said the same way you do Skype, and you say you cannot do Skype, and I told you that I'm not going to go to the event, but you came back to Lagos and you went to the event. You were wearing red cap. I remember that event that time.
No, let me understand now.
Yes, now. I told you now. Listen to me now. Yeah.
I'm just saying. I try to remember. You say I cannot do Skype.
No, they told you that you should do Skype. And you told them that you cannot do Skype. You called me immediately.
That I'll call me scared, Abi?
They said that you should do Skype, that you are not in the country. Skype.
Why?
Or video call. They said you should do video call.
I know, but they're not in the country then.
You were in the country, you were in Abuja now, so you said you were not going to do it, because how will you do it?
What you make me talk I don't want to do?
You talk say you're not going to do it because you did Nigeria. Say you will say you know did Nigeria, now you go do Skype.
Okay, I understand now. Okay, I get that.
Now remember now. So I told them. Yes, you came. You said you came because of something, but you tried to go there. But me, when they told me that I should go and sing "Knock Me Off" with Two-Face on stage, I told them that song is a song that should be performed by Plantation Boys. That song is not a Two-Face song, so Two-Face cannot be performing the song with me. Listen now. That's when I called you and told you that they said I should come and perform, and you said you cannot. They called you to do Skype, and you said you're not going to do the Skype. So me now, I told them that I cannot perform without phase. I told them that we cannot do this thing. We have to do this thing the right way. Listen to me now. Listen to me, Chibuzo. Oh, that is how they always hate when they tell you something. You go, they argue.
I'm getting confused.
Listen, don't get confused. They called you. When Two-Face wanted to do. When Two-Face wanted to do. If you remember.
Calling me, no, listen, Black, listen, don't confuse me. You're confusing me right now. Let me tell you what happened. See what happened. You're telling me about this. When they called me for Skype, I said I could not do Skype because of the fact that I'm in Nigeria.
That's what I said. So, that's what you told me. That's what you.
I came back to do the show.
That's what you told me now. That's what I've said now.
No, you're telling me that
I'm telling you now that they called you to do Skype, and you said no. And me, they said that they wanted me. Me, my name was on the poster. Remember?
Yes.
As Blackface, my name was on the poster. So I told them that what do they want me to come and perform? And then they now told me that they wanted me to come and sing Knock Me Off with Two-Face. I now told them that Knock Me Off is Plantation Boys sound. We must prepare and we must rehearse and Face must be around for us to perform it.
You didn't tell them I was going to come. I was coming.
I told them that they have to make sure you are there. They said they have plans for you.
Black, I'm getting confused now.
Listen now, listen.
Are you going to tell me that when they told me, I don't know that I told you I was going to come. I don't think I was going to come.
No, they told you to do Skype, and you told me, and you told them you were not going to do the Skype.
I'd rather come.
And you told me that you told me that why you were not going to do Skype, that because you were in Nigeria, you're not going to do Skype.
But I told them I was coming.
Then you now decided that you were going to come. You told me that you came for a different program, but you decided to just branch there.
That means I must have informed them I was coming.
So in the long run, you did not do the Skype. But me, now that they put my name on the poster, they wanted me to come and sing Knock Me Off with Two-Face.
Are you sure, Black? Are you sure they don't know I was going to come?
I think your name was not on the poster, for God's sake. Your name was not on the poster.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm telling you now. Oh, there was something 40-something. Once this thing that they did at the hotel. Your name was not on the poster now. My name was on the poster. Okay. So I now told them that if my name is on the poster, I should be preparing and rehearsing. But they told me that they wanted me to come and sing Knock Me Off with Two-Face. I said that's not possible. Because Knock Me Off is a song that belongs to Plantation Boys. I cannot sing it with Two-Face without Face. And I refused to go to the show. But you came and you went to the show. You formed my hand.
How do you form your hand, Black?
You form my hand because you're not supposed to go to the show. Because they won't use me. Black. They won't use me against you. And I don't agree go. They won't use me against you. And I don't agree go. But you when they don't even invite, you still go. Black, you form my hand now. You form my hand because you suck up to them. I tell you now, you talk for telephone for a long time. Then you talk for telephone that day now. I told you that the only way for us to do is for us to just avoid their show. Don't go there.
What did make you no go?
Because they know I know rehearse, number one. They wanted me again. They wanted me again to come and sing Plantation Boys. Listen now. They wanted me again to come and sing Plantation Boys. Without you again. That's what the Fiomorige told me now. Are you for real? That's what the Fiomorige told me. He called me on the telephone. He said he wants me to sing Knock Me Off. And I told him that you must be there. And I refused to go.
But you are telling me that you refused to go because
I refused to go because number one, they didn't want you to be there. Number one. Number two, they did not even prepare rehearsal or anything. And you think I would go to that kind of a show and make a fool of myself? I'm a professional, bro.
Black. Now,
but you went there. That's why I say you form my hand. You form my hand. You form my hand because come like say you did eager for a show.
Don't use that word for your hand.
You form my hand. Nadia no say you just form my hand finally because you can't go there.
Black, you made a decision to choose rehearsal.
But they made a decision not to invite you now. They made a decision not to invite you now. They made a decision not to invite you. They made a decision not to put your name on the poster. But you were so eager for the show that you went. The same way that they made a decision not to invite you for their wedding. And you made a decision and you went. Even when they don't invite you for the wedding, you still went to Dubai. Because you like to go and show off.
Don't twist story. I never told them I was not going to go for the show.
Yes, now, not be me and you there for I take a turn. They tell us, say, are we going to go for the wedding? And I say, Baba, Daddy, me, I'm not going anywhere. But you still went now. So I say, you're the former, on many occasions. You need to be a man and stand on what is right.
I don't see what blackmail me.
I'm not blackmailing you. I'm only telling you facts. It's just the truth now.
See what you're trying to tell me that you told me not to go for the event.
I told you that they did not do the proper thing, and I'm not going there, and we should not go. But you went.
You said like this, Black. You said like you told me not to go, and I told
yes, I told you not to go, and that we should avoid them. But you went now.
I'm
I talked with Odogu that day, sir, with this matter. Me and Odogu still talk that day. Me and Nazi still talk that day. And in the long run, you still went there.
I didn't call you to drag this matter.
No, but I'm just telling you now. But now they are doing the same thing again to that brand again. They want you now to come and perform in the show, but they'll find a way to cut me off. Listen now. So that's the reason why I told you that I have protected the band's name. I have protected the band. Chibuzo, I have protected the band. The band cannot be used like that anymore. Like somebody feel like come and use the name of Plantation Boys.
Plantation Boys on stage, not a problem. If I want to do, I will do. You and I, all of us know, we all have songs. It's not a new thing. But I'm not telling you what's important to me. Don't make me feel as if I'm going against you. I will not.
You are. You've been against me since now. You've been on their side since now because you never stood up to them to tell them that what they are doing is wrong for once. You never for once tell them what they are doing is wrong.
This is a story that's not true. You told me that they called me on Skype. The impression I give me is that they called me on Skype and I said, no, I'm not coming. I did not say
no, I did not say that. Don't confuse my words. Don't confuse my words. Don't confuse my words. Don't confuse my words. When you confuse my words, it makes me seem as if I don't know whether you have some reasoning. Maybe you think for some time and then you have brain faculty that fails and you can't remember properly. Because I told you that you told me that they called you. They called because the way you sound is as if you forget on time.
No problem.
You told me that they said that you should talk on Skype, and I told you that they said I should come and sing Plantation Boys without you, with Two-Face, and I told them I refuse to do that.
But did I not let you know that? Did I not let you know that? I gave you reason why you say you're not going to come. You said because you don't want to play live band.
I don't want to play live band. We didn't do no rehearsal. What do you mean? What do you mean they do what to? Who told you that?
Don't talk like that.
Who told you that?
No, you're telling me because of the live band now.
Who told you because of which live band? Chibuzo, don't add any live band in this matter. Don't add live band. No, nothing like live band. I said that. I said, listen to me what I said. Listen to me again. Listen to me again so that I don't repeat myself. I told you that the show was already coming, and the show was like about 1 week before the time of the show. Because my name was on the poster, I took my phone and called Efeyo Morigbe. And Efeyo Morigbe told me that they don't want me to come and sing my own song. They want me to come and sing Plantation Boys with Two-Face. Knock me off. And I told them that I cannot sing Knock Me Off without Chibuzo there, because that song is for Plantation Boys. And they said that they have a plan for you, how they want you to show your face in the show. Listen to me now. Then I called you. Me and you, listen now. Me and you now spoke. You now told me that they said you should do Skype, but you are not going to do Skype because you are in Nigeria. That's when I got to know that is the plan they had for you. They did not want you to listen now. Let me talk. They did not want you to be in the show. They only wanted you to use your face and say, yeah, this is Face and I'm not around right now, because they did not want you to be in the show. But listen to me. Let me land. I'm landing now. So listen now. Let me land. But when they did not want you to be in the show, they wanted me to be in the show. But I told them that I'm not going to be in the show because they did not want you to be in the show, and they were planning something bad. And I refused to go to the show. But you came and went to the show. That they did not even invite you, and your name was not even there.
Black.
Hey, now, that was wrong now.
Black.
That was wrong now. Was that not wrong?
Black,
I was getting your back and you're not getting my own back.
My name not did the show.
Your name not did the show. Your name not did the show. They want to use you. They want to use you. Now they tell you. They don't want to use you.
No, that's what you're saying. Okay, Black, let them.
They want to use you now. They want to use you. Hey, if you want me to use you, may they use Face. But they don't use Plantation Boys. Now they tell you.
Make me have grievance with David, but I'm not that kind of person. You know me very well.
I don't understand for you now. But why would you not tell them that? What are they doing? Why would you tell them?
Black. Because my name doesn't show that you are different from me. I'm different from
Your name was not on the poster, oh my brother. Your name was not on the poster.
It doesn't matter.
You were not built for the show. You can't do Ogbomoya now. You can't do Ogbomoya.
It doesn't matter.
It matters. It matters because that's the plan. They have a plan. They have a plan for that. They have a plan for that. You don't understand the plan.
Black Chiefs have done an event that was supposed to be his event. If they called me and said, Chibuzo, please come and do this event. Chibuzo was one that was supposed to be an event. I want to represent you face for that event. So it has happened.
Don't sing Plantation Boys. That's all I said now. I'm not telling you that you cannot go to Rep Two-Face in an event. But what I'm telling you is when you get to Two-Face's event, please don't sing Plantation Boys. Sing Face.
Black, I don't get problem with you. But Black, I beg, when you talk to me, don't they insult me. I don't like that statement.
No, they do what?
You insulted me, I didn't like it.
And because why they argue for something? No, I don't tell you, I don't fit talk to you. I don't fit talk to you.
You don't do that. You tell me, say, try and remember.
You know they try to remember. You know they remember now. I wonder why. They think they pay me. Now after we don't talk for years. This thing now will happen now. Me, you not talking for that time. They're supposed to remember and when. But now you don't remember and you see they argue for them today. How many years ago? How many years after?
Do you remember everything in your life?
Yes, I can remember considerably. I remember.
So you know your brain know what to do.
I remember. They try to remember. I don't forget to. That's why they tell you. That's why my words never change. My words be the same.
Don't tell me that.
You say what?
Don't be making you remember.
The one when I go remember, I go tell you now. The one when you don't remember, tell me, make I tell you.
The one I go remember, I go tell you too.
Now, but I tell you the one I remember now. You go listen now.
I'm intentionally avoiding what you're saying. I'm going to tell you to listen to and correct what I want to know to be corrected. If they invite me for a show, I'm not available. I can be a surprise guest anywhere. I'm not talking about you.
No way. Don't do. There's no you can be a surprise guest. Not Plantation Boys surprise guest. No way. It can't happen anymore.
No, I cannot get problems, sir. But don't. My own pay me say I beg. If they talk to me like we normally talk to me. No insult me.
And they talk to you the way you go understand. The way you go understand after they talk to you so.
Me. I don't like it.
I don't tell you the way I feel about everything Chibuzo. It is either my own is there. I've already given you guys the warning. I'm giving you guys the legal thing that binds because you don't disrespect the band by going to represent the band. Do you understand?
I don't like where I talk. I don't need to do a song. But everybody call me, I go do them.
If you click on somebody's song, I'm gonna try them now. Now we're gonna talk. I don't get any problem. I don't really tell them I say, I'm gonna sing anything with Platform because nobody get the name.
You don't tell me anything about that one. Nobody tell me that one.
I don't tell you. I don't write you the letter for him now. You don't receive him now. You don't receive him. I don't give you the letter. You get the letter. You send that to me too. Which shows you received it as well.
You don't give me any letter.
You send it to me now. You send it to me. It's on my chat with you now.
You don't present any letter to me.
I say you sent it to me. See, the Lord does not hear that. The Lord does not hear that. I'm only telling you. The Lord does not hear that. I'm only telling you about law. I'm only telling you about law. About law.
Not everything you know past everybody.
I tell you, I'm telling you about law. I know you know past you, but I'm telling you that a name that is already a registered name. Don't go and play with the name. Don't play with the name because the name can sue you.
No problem. We'll see when it happens that day. No problem.
And I know they wait for now.
For me.
They wait for now. No problem.
Like if they call me, I go do this thing. But no come, I don't
go sing Plantation Boys, though. Ladies and gentlemen, put together to ask for Plantation Boys. And they wait for now. I wait for now, no be problem.
No problem.
No be problem.
So,